Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, we are studying chapter Excretion and Osmoregulation, and in that we are studying topic kidneys physiological consideration. Now if I say that kidney helps in ultrafiltration of your salts as well as excretory products, that's true. But along with that, kidney has other functions too. So today we'll be studying about them. Now, if we look at the structure of kidney has malphizian corpuscles, nephrons, its individual unit, PCT and DCT. That's proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule. So, with all of this, what kidney does is that it excretes the nitrogenous waste as well as the non-nitrogenous waste from body. Along with that, kidney helps to maintain or regulate the water balance inside your body as well as the plasma volumes in your body. It also helps to regulate hydrogen ion concentration in your body just to make sure that you don't lose enough of salts or electrolytes from your body which are required by your body for day-to-day processes. Kidney's physiological considerations or the thing that kidney takes care without ultrafiltration or without proper filtration, they should not be removed out, are that nitrogenous waste as well as non-nitrogenous waste products. They are ultrafiltered before its removal. Also, kidney basically tries to maintain water balance inside a body along with plasma balance, which is a component of your blood. It helps to regulate the H plus ions concentration, or you simply say it, hydrogen ion concentration in the body fluids within a normal range. We all know that H plus ions or O minus ions are very crucial for bodily reactions. Now, kidney helps to maintain the concentration of certain blood constituents within normal limit, and which includes phosphorus and calcium. Now, phosphorus is what we observe or we obtain from our fruits, especially that's required for fluidity, or you can say the phospholipid bilayer or sodium potassium channels use it. Your kidney basically helps to maintain the osmotic pressure of the blood and tissues. And just to maintain that osmotic pressure of your blood and tissues, kidney makes sure that your electrolyte balance, that is your sodium potassium balance, is thoroughly maintained in your body. It also serves to eliminate drugs and toxic substances from your body, especially the drugs that you intake. The part of the drugs that your body is not using, it has to be eliminated by excretory system. It plays a very crucial role in the maintenance of blood pressure, basically the concentration of ions in your body. And finally, your kidney, what it does is that it produces erythropoietin, a kind of a protein substance that stimulate your RBCs or red blood corpuscles formation in your bone marrow. Also, kidneys play a very crucial role in the metabolism of vitamin D. Now, vitamin D is always synthesized beneath your skin. It is absorbed from sunlight. Kidneys basically help or slightly conversion of inactive vitamin D into an active form, along with other forms like calcium, with a combination or help from calcium as well. So students, in this part of the chapter, we came across that how kidney looks after other substances and how it takes care to keep certain substances and to remove certain substances from your system. I hope students, you all are very clear with this concept. Thank you.